Hello everyone, welcome in today's session to our step-by-step solution of this mathematical complex expression in which division, multiplication, addition and subtraction are involved. To simplify the fractions in this mathematical expression, 5 and 1/7 plus into square bracket 5 and 2/3 plus into curly bracket 3 and 3/10 divided by into box bracket 2 and 4/5 minus 7 over 10 bracket close. We have to find out value of this mathematical expression. Okay. So first of all, we have to prepare steps to solve this problem. And as per BODMAS rule and PEMDAS rule, we have to find out the value of innermost bracket, and here innermost bracket is this one. Consider this as step number 1. Then consider this as step number 2. Then this bracket, consider this as step number 3, and the whole expression, its value, consider this as step number 4. In this way, we can find the value of this expression in 4 steps. But before that, we have to know about BODMAS rule and PEMDAS rule. Comparison between these two rules. Here, in this row, this represents sequence of operations, that algebraic operations. This gives BODMAS rule, and in this row, PEMDAS rule. B stands for bracket, O stands for orders or exponents or indices or surds, square roots, nth roots. Then D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. In case of PEMDAS rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. This mathematical rule, BODMAS, is used in India and UK, and this mathematical rule, PEMDAS, is used in US and France. Now let us know about similarities of these two rules. Both acronyms represents the exact same order of operations. The only difference is in the specific word used for the two steps, this and this. Brackets versus parentheses and orders versus exponents. Both rules emphasize performing multiplication and division from left to right, that is from left to right. Now let us move towards our solution of given sum. We are solving this sum using these 4 steps which are prepared using BODMAS rule or PEMDAS rule. So step by step solution for this. Now step number 1. We have to find out value of this bracket. 2 and 4/5 minus 7 over 10. This is equal to, this mixed number we can refer as 2 plus 4/5 and put it in separate bracket minus 7 over 10. So this is equal to 2 into 5 plus 4 divided over 5 minus 7 over 10. Hence this is equal to 2 into 5, 10 plus 4 over 5 minus 7 over 10. This is equal to 14 over 5, because 10 plus 4 is 14, minus 7 over 10. This is equal to, now LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Then 5 to the 10 and 2 into 14 in numerator 2 into 14. This minus sign, 10 1 is 10, 1 into 7. This is equal to 2 into 14 is 28 minus 1 into 7 is 7 over 10. This is equal to 28 minus 7, 21 over 10. This is the value of this bracket. Consider this is now step number 2. In step number 2, we have to find out value of this curly bracket. So 3 over 3/10 divided by 3 and 3/10 divided by 2 and 4/5 minus 7 over 10. So this is equal to, this mixed number we can refer as 3 plus 3/10 and keep it in one bracket, divided by value of this bracket is already obtained, and which is 21 over 10. Get the value of this bracket. This is equal to 3 into 10 plus this 3 over 10 divided by 21 over 10. This is equal to 3 into 10 30 plus 3 over 10 divided by 21 over 10. So this is equal to 30 plus 3 33 over 10 divided by 21 over 10, which is equal to 33 over 10. Now replace this divide by symbol, divide by sign, by multiplication sign, that is into reciprocal of this number, that is 10 upon 21. Now this 10 cancels with this 10 and divide this number by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21. And now this is equal to 11 into 1, that is 11 into 1 over 1 into 7. This is equal to 11 over 7. So step number 2 gives value is equal to 11 over 7. Let us now step number 3, that is we have to find out value of this square bracket. Hence 5 and 2/3 plus 3 and 3/10 divided by 2 and 4/5 minus 7 over 10 bracket close. This is equal to 5 and 2/3. This we can refer, this mixed number we can refer as 5 plus 2 over 3. Keep this in one bracket, plus value of this curly bracket is obtained in step number 2, which is 11 over 7. So this is equal to, now 5 plus 2 over 3, that is nothing but 5 into 3 plus 2 over 3. Hence we can write 5 into 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 11 over 7. This is equal to 5 into 3 15 plus 2 over 3 plus 11 over 7. Now LCM of denominator 3 and 7 is 21. Hence this is equal to denominator is 21. This is equal to 15 plus 2, 17 divided by 17 over 3 plus 11 over 7. Hence, this is equal to, now LCM of denominator 3 and 7 is 3 into 7, 17 into 7 plus 11 into 3. 17 into 7 plus 11 into 3. This is equal to 17 into 7 is 119 plus 33 over 3 into 7 is 21. This is equal to 3 plus 9, 12, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5, and this 1 over 21. This is value of step number 3. Let us move towards step number 4. In this step, we have to take the given expression as it is to get its value. Hence, 5 and 1/7 plus 5 and 2/3 plus 3 and 3/10 divided by 2 and 4/5 minus 7 over 10. Hence, this is equal to, this mixed number we have to express as irrational fraction, improper fraction. 5 plus 1 over 7, keep this in one bracket, plus value of this bracket is obtained in step number 3, and which is 152 over 21. Hence, 152 over 21. This is equal to, in this bracket, 5 into 7 plus 1 over 7. 5 into 7 plus 1 over 7 plus 152 over 21. This is equal to, 5 into 7 is 35 plus 1 over 7 plus 152 over 21. Hence, this is equal to 35 plus 1, 36 over 7 plus 152 over 21. Now we can take LCM of denominators 7 and 21. That will be 21. 7 3 is 21, 3 into 36 plus 21 is 21, 1 into 152. This is equal to 3 into 36, 108 plus 1 into 152, 152 over 21. Now this is equal to 108 plus 152 is equal to 260 over 21. This is improper fraction. If you want, you can get this value as a mixed number dividing 260 by 21. So 12 into 21, 252 plus 8, that is 260 over 21. That is 12 and 8 21th, or 12 plus 8 21th. And this is final answer. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more math tutorials like this. Hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more engaging content that will help you excel in your mathematical journey. Thank you.